Good morning everyone, this is Sandeep. Today we will discuss about DNS. What is DNS? DNS means domain name service or domain name system. Domain name service or domain name system. Okay, basically what is DNS? It provides resolution of names to IP address and resolution of IP address to names. It provides resolution of names to IP address and resolution of IP address to names. Basically, it is domain DNS is separated by dot. Okay, namespace defines a hierarchical namespace where each level of namespace is separated by a dot. For example, we are having a server name chikwa.com. Okay, chikwa.com, this system name is sys1. So chikwa.com system1 dot chikwa.com. Okay, it is separated by dot, fully qualified name. According to Microsoft information, in the world there are 13 root servers are managing by ICANN organization. ICANN means Internet Corporation for Assigning Names and Numbers. Okay, now we have to see fully qualified domain name is FQDN, means host name plus domain. Host name is system1 plus domain name chikwa.com. Okay, now it is a fully qualified name is system1.chikwa.com. Okay, now I will tell you about zone. Here now zone is a storage database which contains all zone records. We are having two types of zones: forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone. Forward lookup zone is resolution of host name to IP address. It maintains host to IP address mapping information. Okay, it maintains host to IP address mapping information. This is forward lookup zone. Okay, and used for resolution of IP address to host name. It maintains IP address to IP address to host name, host mapping information. This is reverse lookup zone. Okay, DNS means zone means DNS database by help of records. Okay, we have this type of records. One is SOA, is start of authority. it stores all the files information. Files information means when we create any user ID, that details all it will store. Next, NS means name service. Name service contains domain name information. Domain name information is, we have any domain name like yahoo.com. Okay, and you are having host means host plus IP, it is forward lookup zone. Alias is important. If you want to browse this yahoo.com means in website you have to type system1.yahoo.com. If your system will change or your IP will change, again you have to type that ip.yahoo.com. For that you are giving the name www.worldwideweb.yahoo.com, like that. Okay, pointer means IP to host, is a reverse lookup zone. Next one is MX means mail exchange. Mail exchange means it will create ID mail and you have to open Gmail ID. Email ID is in that server. Last and final, SVR means service recorder. Service recorder means NDC ADD information. If you create, if you here I did not install Active Directory domain services. If you create Active Directory domain services, there are so many users you have to create. All information will stored in this Active Directory. You have to know one thing. Without Active Directory, we can create DNS. Okay. In this lab, I want to configure the DNS service. In this DNS service, mainly you are having the 4 types of zone types. They are standard primary, standard secondary, stub zone, and Active Directory integration. Today we will discuss about standard primary. This is a master copy of all zones information, and it is read and write copy. This zone is used for to resolve the website names, means web server. Okay, in this we are getting first two. This is we are getting SOS, start of authority, and NS, naming service. Today we will discuss about this standard primary zone. Now coming to the lab, first of all we have to assign an IP address. Okay, we have to use following IP address. I am using the IP address 10.0.0.1 and preferred DNS server IP address is same as your IP address, and click on OK. Okay, now open Server Manager Console and click on Add Roles and Features. After that you have to click on Next. Again you have to click on Next. Now your system name is with nline GUID TB7A and our IP address is 10.0.0.1 and click on Next. Okay, here Active Directory domain name service is not there. Without Active Directory domain services, you can add DNS server. Okay, now click on DNS server. Add features. After that, click on Next. Next, click on Next. After that, click on Install. Okay, the DNS server roles and features is adding. Installation is completed. Close this window. Now, after that, open DNS services. Here, this is your host name. Expand this host name. Now, we will discuss about how to creating the standard primary zone in forward lookup zone. Okay, in this system we will use you log in as administrator. Open DNS server. Expand this one. And click on forward lookup zone and click on new zone. Okay, here click on Next. After that, it will ask primary zone. Create a copy of primary zone that can be updated directly on the server, and secondary zone and stub zone. See, in this class we are discussing about primary zone. So I want to click here. We have to see here on last we have to store the zone in Active Directory, available only if domain services is a writable domain controller. In this mission I did not install Active Directory services, so it will not come. Okay, if you install Active Directory domain services, you have to uncheck this box and click on next. Why? If you check this box, is all DNS server database will stored in that Active Directory only, but I want to store that all DNS database in that only DNS server. After click on next. Here you have to give a name, your new name zone. Here I am giving yahoo.com. Click on next. Okay, it will create a new Yahoo with the name of DNS, yahoo.com.dns. After click on next. Okay, now you have to click on allow both non-secured and secured dynamic updates. Okay, we have to take updates. Click on next. Click on finish. Okay, now yahoo.com standard is created. Now we have to create a host record, means from system to IP address, resolution of system name to host name to IP address. After you have to create alias record to fully qualified system for. Okay, now explain this forward lookup job. In this you are having NS and start of authority. You have to right click on this and create new host A or AAA. Create. Now use the parent domain name if blanks. Okay, what is the parent domain name? Blanks. Actually here we have to give your web server name, and here you have to give your web server IP address. But here we are not using the web server. We are not configuring the web server. In the next class I will tell you how to create a web server. Now by default I am giving this system host name and IP address. This system name is Win L9 GUI 7A. Okay, see, it will come fully qualified name, system name.yahoo.com, and give IP address. In this IP address 10.0.0.1. Okay, and click on add host, and the host record dot system name.yahoo.com is successfully created. Click on OK. Click on done. Okay, now host is created. Now you have to create alias record also. Now right click on yahoo.com and click on new alias. Here you have to give alias name, uses parent domain if left blank. Okay, you have to create alias name www. You did not give dot. It is also came www.yahoo.com. Now it is asking fully qualified domain name for target host. Now I am giving this name Win GUIJ TB7A and click on OK. Okay, now alias name also created. Okay, it is forward lookup zone, creating standard primary zone in forward lookup zone. Now we have to verify this, whether it is working or not. We have to verify. Now open CMD. Here you have to ping your IP ping www.yahoo.com. Click on enter. Okay, type ping space for host name win and yahoo.com. Click on enter. Now your IP address is coming 10.0.0.10 by using host record. Now we will check by alias record. Ping space www.yahoo.com. Click on enter. See, now your ping. Now it will alias name will go to your hostname.yahoo.com. You are not having web server, so you are checking like command prompt. Through command prompt you are checking. Okay, now standard primary zone in forward lookup zone is completed. Now we will create standard primary zone in reverse lookup zone. Okay, right click on reverse lookup zone and create a new zone. After that, click on next. Okay, now click on primary zone. See, already I told you previously I told you, if it is in domain, in active domain services, it will have this. You have to uncheck this box and click on next. After that, it will ask it is IPv4 for reverse lookup zone or IPv6. Here you click on IPv4 for lookup zone and click on next. Here it is asking your network ID. Now here you have to type your network ID 10.0.0. That's all. Okay. Network ID. After that, click on next. Now see, new file is created by 10.0.0.10 address addr.apr.dns. Okay, now click on next. Now click on allow both non-security secure domain updated. Next. After that, finish. Okay, now right click on this first lookup zone and click on new pointer. Pointer means it's IP address to host name. Here give your IP address at 10.0.1 and your host name as here you are giving www.yahoo.com. Click on OK. Now you have to verify this. Open command prompt and type ns lookup space IP address 10.0.0.1. Click on enter. Sorry. Now type ns lookup 10.0.0.1. Now you will get your name www.yahoo.com and address is 10.0.0.1. This is today our class. Tomorrow we will discuss second part of the DNS name server. Thank you.